Hey ACPN community, this is Chelsea Scally, your ACPN Chair. I'm excited to announce that ACPN's in-person conference, formerly called the ACPN Knowledge Exchange Conference, has officially merged with our annual Auto Care Connect Week. I am also equally thrilled to let you guys know that early bird registration is officially open. So come join us May 5th through the 8th of 2024 in Chicago, Illinois, and learn more about why this is still the place that our community will come together for educational breakout sessions, networking events, and the trade show, but now offers additional opportunities to network with other members of Auto Care. For more information about the conference and to register, please go to autocare.org/connect, and we look forward to seeing you in Chicago.